Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Okay, then you need to scroll down and click on help and support. Okay, and then you need to click on help center, or you can go on support inbox. So here you need to scroll and click on visit business help center. Okay, so it will take few seconds to load this page. Okay, and here you can see all different problems, and if you want any support, you simply need to click on learn more and it will redirect to the next page. And here you can see all your issues, but if you are unable to find, you can see a button that is here, get support. Click on that and it will redirect to you the next page. Okay, and here you need to click on no. Okay, and then you need to click on how could it be better. Click on submit. Okay, and after that the Facebook team will contact you and help you resolve your issue. And the other method is you simply need to go back, and here you can see support inbox. Click on that, and here you can see you can simply click on report about others. Okay, so here you can see all the issues about your report. So this is a simple process by which you can contact Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.